For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and some tape. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the lens where the clips hold it in. There are 3 clips holding the lens in. Now, wrap a piece of tape around the incandescent bulb and you can pull it out with the tape. Install the LED bulb and test it. Replace the lens and push it in to lock it. Now repeat those steps for the other map light. Gently pry out the lens. Wrap the bulb in tape. And pull the bulb out with the tape. Install the LED and test it. There is another method to replace these bulbs. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a rag. There are clips on either side that will need to be freed to remove the housing. Pry the edge of the housing down and push your rag into the gap to keep it open. Use your screwdriver to push the locking clip in to release it. You'll need to move the rag around to the edge to open it further. You'll now need to reach the inside of that clip to push it in and release the inside. With one side unlocked, you can now use your screwdriver to push open both sides of the other clip. Push one side of the bulb socket and then pull it out. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED, and test it. Push in one side of the socket and then push in the other side. Repeat those steps for the other bulb. Push one side over, then pull the socket out. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Push in one side of the socket and then the other side. Line up the clips and push the housing back into place. We test the output with our light meter, and these LED bulbs measure 140 lux. For this installation, you'll need a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. Begin by opening the vanity cover. Use the thin edge of your trim tool and slide it into the edge of the light lens. Pry out the top tab and then the bottom tab. On the other side, we'll show you can also use your trim tool to push and pry the inside tabs out. Remove the Phillips screws and pull the vanity mirror up and out to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. This LED is polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't light, pull it out, flip it over, and reinstall it. Test it by pushing down on the switch. Now repeat those steps for the other side. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Now we can put it all back together. Slide the bottom of the mirror in first. Replace the Phillips screws. Replace the lens by pushing in the outside first, Then push in the other side. These new LED bulbs are super bright. Bright enough to illuminate the entire interior.